Enforcement Directorate, formerly known as the Directorate of Enforcement, stands as one of India's foremost financial investigation and economic intelligence agencies. Tasked with probing economic crimes, enforcing foreign exchange laws, and curbing money laundering, the ED plays an important role in safeguarding India's financial integrity. With increasing globalization, complex financial transactions, and cross-border crimes, the importance of a robust regulatory and investigative mechanism like the ED has never been greater. In this article, we are going to cover the Enforcement Directorate, its origin, evolution, objectives, functions, organizational structure, jurisdiction, importance, and reforms. Enforcement Directorate. The Enforcement Directorate is a specialized financial law enforcement and economic intelligence agency operating under the Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance, Government of India. It primarily focuses on the enforcement of economic laws and combating financial crimes, particularly violations under the Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, 1999, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA, 2002, and Fugitive Economic Offenders Act, FEOA, 2018. Its role is important in investigating cases involving complex financial crimes, tracing illicit assets, and ensuring adherence to legal provisions concerning foreign exchange and money laundering. By acting as a deterrent against financial misconduct, the ED contributes significantly to economic stability and the enforcement of law in India. Enforcement Directorate establishment and evolution. The Enforcement Directorate traces its origins to 1956 when an enforcement unit was formed within the Department of Economic Affairs to address violations of the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, FERA, 1947. The evolution can be traced through key milestones. 1956, creation of the Enforcement Unit in the Department of Economic Affairs to investigate cases of foreign exchange violations. It was headquartered in New Delhi and led by a Director of Enforcement. 1957, the unit was officially renamed the Enforcement Directorate, ED, marking its emergence as a dedicated agency. 1960, administrative control shifted from DIA to the Department of Revenue, DOR, Ministry of Finance. 1973 to 1977, for a brief period, the Directorate was placed under the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms. 1977 onwards, the ED was reinstated under the Department of Revenue, where it continues to function to date. This historical evolution reflects India's response to growing complexities in financial crimes and the need for specialized institutions to enforce economic regulation. Enforcement Directorate organizational structure. The ED operates with a hierarchical and multi-tiered organizational structure, ensuring effective administration and investigation across the country. Headquarters. Located in New Delhi, the ED headquarters is led by the Director of ED, who oversees overall administration and strategic decision-making. Regional offices. There are 5 regional offices in Mumbai, Chennai, Chandigarh, Kolkata, and Delhi. Each office caters to specific regions and is headed by a special director. Zonal offices. Below the regional offices, the ED maintains 27 zonal offices in key cities like Hyderabad, Gurugram, and others. These offices are led by joint directors. Subzonal offices. Supporting the zonal offices are around 12 to 13 subzonal offices, each managed by a deputy director, operating in cities such as Mangalore, Allahabad, and Indore. The multi-layered structure ensures that the ED can maintain a strong presence across India while facilitating specialized, region-specific investigations. Enforcement Directorate composition and recruitment. The ED comprises a mix of directly recruited officers and those drawn from established government services such as the Indian Revenue Service, IRS, Indian Police Service, IPS, and Indian Administrative Service, IS. Director of ED. The Director heads the ED and is appointed by the central government on the recommendation of a high-level committee including the Central Vigilance Commissioner, CVC, Vigilance Commissioners, and Secretaries of the Ministries of Home, Personnel, and Finance. Tenure. initially fixed at 2 years, the Delhi Special Police Establishment Amendment Act 2021 allows extensions up to a maximum of 5 years, in 1-year increments, in the public interest. Other ranks include special directors, joint directors, deputy directors, and investigative officers, ensuring a professional and skilled workforce for tackling complex financial crimes. Enforcement Directorate functions. The ED's functions are multifaceted, encompassing investigation, enforcement, and prosecution within its statutory framework. Enforcement of economic laws. Implements FEMA 1999, PMLA 2002, and FEOA 2018. Investigation of financial crimes. Probes money laundering, bank fraud, foreign exchange violations, and other financial misconduct. Prosecution and adjudication. Powers include arrests, searches, seizures, and summoning individuals or records for investigation. Collaboration with other agencies. Works alongside CBI, Income Tax Department, and Customs, ensuring coordinated enforcement. Financial regulation and monitoring. Enhances the integrity of India's financial system and deters economic offences. ED statutory functions and important acts. The Enforcement Directorate has the following statutory functions and important acts. Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA, 2002. Provides for investigation, provisional attachment of property, and prosecution of offenders. The ED ensures assets derived from proceeds of crime are confiscated through special courts. Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, 1999. A civil law focusing on external trade, payments, and the orderly development of India's foreign exchange market. The ED investigates violations and imposes penalties. Fugitive Economic Offenders Act, FEOA, 2018. Targets economic offenders evading Indian courts by fleeing abroad. The ED attaches and confiscates their properties. Conservation of Foreign Exchange and Prevention of Smuggling Activities Act, COPPSA, 1974. Grants powers for preventive detention related to FEMA violations. ED territorial jurisdiction and powers. The Enforcement Directorate has the following territorial jurisdiction and powers. Jurisdiction. The ED has nationwide jurisdiction over any person or legal entity involved in economic crimes. Powers. While the ED cannot act suo motu, it may investigate upon receiving a complaint or referral. Once a case is registered, it can seize assets, make arrests, and initiate proceedings under FEMA and PMLA. Adjudication is conducted by special courts or PMLA courts. Enforcement Directorate importance. Enforcement Directorate has the following importance. Financial stability. The ED deters economic crimes that could destabilize India's financial system. Economic growth. Protects legitimate businesses by ensuring a level playing field. Recovery of stolen funds. Confiscated assets can be utilized for public welfare. Maintaining financial integrity. Promotes transparency, accountability, and investor confidence. Global cooperation. Collaborates internationally to combat cross-border financial crimes. Public trust. High-profile investigations enhance citizen confidence in the legal and financial system. Enforcement Directorate criticism and challenges. Political misuse. The ED has faced allegations of being used for political vendetta, particularly against opposition figures. Lack of transparency. Investigations are often opaque, raising concerns about impartiality. Extended detentions. Accused individuals may face prolonged interrogations without charges. Procedural lapses. Instances of bypassing standard legal protocols have been challenged in courts. Low conviction rates. Despite numerous cases, convictions remain limited, raising questions about investigative effectiveness. Impact on business climate. Frequent raids may create fear among investors and entrepreneurs. Enforcement Directorate recommendations. The Enforcement Directorate remains a cornerstone of India's financial law enforcement architecture. By detecting, investigating, and prosecuting economic offences, the ED ensures the stability and integrity of India's financial system. Guarding against political misuse, strengthen oversight mechanisms to ensure independence. Balancing swiftness and fairness, streamline investigations to avoid punitive actions while ensuring timely prosecutions. Coordination with other agencies, clear delineation of responsibilities with CBI, Customs, and other agencies. Enhanced legal framework, reform PMLA to clarify definitions of offenses and powers of the ED. Transparency and accountability, open investigative processes and provide access to key documents like the Enforcement Case Information Report, ECIR. Review of powers, Supreme Court review of ED's powers under PMLA can help safeguard due process.